Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone and notification volume panel. Now just to mute device notifications, you should slide to the left side the ringtone volume panel, so just to activate the silent mode. By this way you will mute not only notifications, you will mute also ringtones. So if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute only notifications, I suggest you to do it by this way. First go to the notifications here, to ringtones, switch it to profile, tap ringtones and switch your currently ringtone. Just to don't set ringtone, tap to apply notifications, and now when we'll go back to the settings, we can see that we have not here any just set at the notification sound, and by this way we can see that the ringtones they will ring and notifications they will be muted. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.